Alright everyone, I'm going to do a little unboxing video. So I got this new Beauty Counter box. Inside it is my new CounterControl collection. I'm super excited about this. It's not out yet on the website, but it will be soon, so stay tuned. When I came to Beauty Counter, I had a lot of adult acne and it was an issue that I was struggling with for a really long time, so I've been super excited about this. The irony is that since using Beauty Counter, my skin has actually improved, so I feel like I need this line less now than I did in the beginning, but I'm still really excited it's here and I can't wait to try it. So let's see what it includes. So the first is this Matte Effect Gel Cream. Everything is oil-free, which is awesome. So I'm going to take that out right there. And then what else is in here? So this is the Instant Matte Toner. Love it. This is pretty big. That's a hefty 5-ounce toner, so love that. This is the Clear Pore Cleanser, which is great because I'm actually out of my Nourishing Cream Cleanser, which had been my go-to. I also love the charcoal soap for anyone with acne. It's great for oil control. So here's an all-over acne treatment, which is awesome. Let's see what some of these ingredients are. There you go. And then there's one more thing in here, which is the SOS Acne Spot Treatment. Love it because everybody needs that when you have an emergency breakout before you go somewhere. So here we go. These are the 5 new products in the Beauty Counter CounterControl series, which will be out on the website soon. I am going to get to work on trying these things so that I can let you know how they work. But if you are interested, then let me know and we can talk more about them.